Everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Fine? Okay.
How are you,
All
ma'am?
right. I'm also doing well, thank you. I want all of you to switch on your cameras.
Just
Little
now,
ones,
Praveen.
don't sit hidden in my class.
Ma'am, just now Praveen is present.
Thank you, Anthony. Noted.
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony is very helpful. Okay. So, did you get time to go through the chapter? Rip Van Winkle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Any doubts? Any doubts with regard to the previous portion?
No, ma'am.
No doubts.
Ma'am.
Yesterday full chapter.
Okay,
Ma'am?
good. You read it in advance. We have a little more to complete. Yes, Fia?
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay, I will give you a chance. So, who is going to
Ma'am,
summarize a quick summary of the story? Who will do that? Who will do that? Amna. Amna can do the summarizing. Okay? From the beginning up to where we have done. Okay, Amna?
Ma'am, so should I read it?
No, not reading, but just summarize it. Briefly tell what has happened in the story from the beginning up to where we have done.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
So the story is about a lazy man called Rip Van Winkle.
Yes.
He lives in a Dutch village.
Mm.
He lives in a Dutch village and he loves to tell stories to children and walk and wander around this town with his dog,
Yes.
Wolf.
Mm.
And sometimes when he doesn't do any job, his wife scolds him.
Mm.
So to not get her scoldings, he goes to an inn and in a mountain to just relax with his dog.
Mm.
And one such day, when he went to the mountains to relax, he found some little men.
Mm.
This little man who was wearing a strange clothes and he was carrying a very big drum. So he called Rip's name, Rip. So he got shocked and they thought that it was his wife came.
Yeah.
And but after some time he came to them, so he understood that it wasn't him. And the little man asked for his help to hold the drum. So they carried the drum and walked for a while. And after some while, they heard a booming sound, a very loud booming sound. So they kept on walking. And after some time, they came to an open field with many little men. And all these little men were playing a game of 9 pins, where the little men threw a heavy ball and it hit 9 pins, 9 vertical pins, and they were playing that game. So they understood where this loud booming sound was coming from.
Yes.
And then this drum was filled with a very tasty drink. So which the little men shared with Rip.
Yeah.
After drinking
Excuse me, ma'am.
glasses of this,
Ayman, I'll come to you. Let her complete.
Ma'am,
Okay?
not that. Not that. Ma'am,
What?
sometimes your voice is echoing.
Amna's voice is echoing.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, for me it's echoing.
Okay, maybe because of some connectivity problem.
Ma'am,
Everyone
can I
should be
leave
in
and
muted
come
mode.
once more?
Yes, Ayman. Yes. Amna, continue.
after drinking 3 full glasses of this tasty drink, Rip fell asleep in the moonlight. And the next thing he knew when he woke up was his clothes were all tattered. He was very surprised because Wolf was gone. He had a very big, a foot-long beard. And his clothes were torn, his gun had rusted. So what Rip did was, Rip was in shock and he went back to his village. And he couldn't even recognize the place he was sleeping in.
Yes.
So he went he was shocked because the town had changed. He went to his town and he went to his house, and his house was very empty and no one was there. Dave was gone, and he called out for his children, but nobody came. And little children gathered around him, and he couldn't recognize anybody of the children. So he was pretty much lost. And after that, he asked for Rip Van Winkle.
Okay, all right. Did we do the entire story, Amna?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone give her a good clap. Very good clap. Wow, superb, Amna. I really loved listening to you.
Thank you.
You narrated the story very well.
Ma'am.
Lots of love and hugs to you. Okay, good. Well done. So we are towards the end of the story, page number 4. We have a couple of paragraphs to be completed. Everyone open your textbook. Amna narrated the story very well. I think she has already read the story completely in advance, and she's also about to narrate the rest of the story. Isn't it, Amna? Yes. Okay. So where are we now? Where did we stop in the last class? We find that yes, Rip woke up and a lot of changes were seen by him. His clothes were tattered, his gun had rusted, and his beard, he had a long beard. Yes, near to his foot.
Ended his village. That paragraph, that paragraph we should discuss.
Yes. So when he went to his village, he stopped in surprise. He saw many new buildings, and the children gathered around him whispering. So they were so curious to find who this man was. No one recognized Rip Van Winkle because he had changed totally. And he went to his house and he found that his house was empty, silent. Children, please mark those words, okay? What were the changes? The question may come like this. What were the changes Rip Van Winkle noticed when he came back to his village? First change was that many new buildings. There were, yes, Fia, I saw your message. I'll come to you, okay? There were, first change was that there were many new buildings. Mark it in your textbook. There were many new buildings. And the second change was that when he went to his own house, he found it empty, silent. Nobody was there in his house.
Can I read?
Wait, let me complete this. He called out his wife's name and the names of his children. And did he find anybody there in his house? No, nobody was there in his house. No one answered. Okay, his wife and children, nobody was there in his house. The house looked lonely and empty, now even more confused than before. Rip walked through the town to the inn. However, the old inn was gone. There was a bigger, newer inn in its place. So the third change was that instead of the old inn, there was a new, bigger inn. Okay, the old inn was gone.
That we discussed.
Yes, up to there we discussed. The old inn was gone, and instead of the old inn, there was a newer, bigger inn. Okay, so we are going to continue today's portion.
Can I read? Ma'am, can.
Is there anyone who did not get a chance in my class to read? Not today, in any of my class. Is there anyone who did not get a chance? John?
Yes, ma'am.
You did not get a chance to read in my class, literature class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then you can read now.
Ma'am, just a minute.
What's the problem? You're not ready with the text? I hope everyone has got the textbook with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, John, read. Outside the inn. Read from there.
Ma'am, I just take the textbook now.
Why is it so? Class starts at 12 o'clock. So the moment you come and sit in front of your computer or laptop, you have to be ready with your text. Anthony, read. John, I'll give you a chance later. Okay, Anthony, read.
Ma'am, it is a paragraph.
You listen, you listen. I'll give you a chance.
He called out his wife's name and the names
We have
of
completed that, Anthony. The third paragraph of page number 4. Outside the inn,
outside the inn. People were gathered around, talking about an election.
talking about.
Talking about an election. Rip inquired about his friends. He was told that the inn manager has been dead for 18 years and that the schoolmasters he knew had moved from the village. Finally, Rip asked if anyone knew who Rip Van Winkle was. A young woman holding a baby stepped forward, saying that Rip was her father and that he'd gone.
And he
had gone out hunting 20 years ago and never returned. Rip then realized that he had been asleep for 20 years.
Okay. Next, Alok, read.
Rip recognized the young woman and his daughter Judith
As his
Now
daughter.
grown.
As his daughter.
as his daughter Judith now grown. He told her that he in fact was her father. Rip then told everyone the story of where he had been for the last 20 years. No one believed him.
All right.
Finally, they
Okay.
told
Thank you, Alok. Thank you. John, read.
Yes, ma'am. Finally, they called an old wise man named Peter Van der Donk,
Peter Van der Donk.
who knew many stories about the village. Peter listened as Rip
repeated his tale.
repeated his tale. He claimed that Rip had met some ghosts. A few of the villagers thought Rip Van Winkle was crazy, but others believed him.
Okay, all right. Pravin P. Joshi, read the last paragraph.
Peter Van der Donk told that he met some ghosts.
I'll come to you, Gautam. Please wait. Pravin, read. Pravin lost the connection. Rohit, read. Read the last paragraph.
Rip Van Winkle went to live with his daughter Judith and her family. He began telling stories to the children. He began telling stories to the children just as he used to earlier. And not surprisingly, he told his own story frequently. Occasionally, he would hear thunder in the mountains, but never went into the forest again. He did not want to lose another 20 years.
All right. Okay. So when he went to his home, when he called out his wife's names and children's names, no one responded. Okay. No one answered. And he found that the house was lonely and empty. And instead of the old inn, there was a newer, bigger inn. Okay. Outside the inn, the people were gathered around talking about an election. Have you heard about election?
Yes, ma'am.
What is an election?
Election is a method to choose a representative.
You all know big definitions for elections, right?
the process of choosing someone
To form a government.
or become a leader by voting for them.
Yes. a process of choosing someone to form a government or become a leader by voting for them. Do you know at which age you get the right for election? 18. Oh, very good.
About
Very
18
good.
years.
Very good. How old are you now? How old are you now?
8 more years.
How many years more?
8 more years.
7 years more.
Yes, 8 more
7
years.
years.
11.
Yes. Adult franchise. I know. All right. Okay, you know much more than me, right? Huh? Okay, so the people gathered around talking about an election, and Rip inquired his friends. He was told that the inn manager had been dead for 18 years. So, what did he inquire to his friends? What did he inquire? About whom? About whom he inquired?
The inn manager.
Yes, he inquired. Inquired means? Inquired means? Inquired. Inquired means? Asked.
Ask.
Asked. Okay, inquired. Rip inquired about his friend in manager. And what did the reply he get? He got the reply that in manager has been dead for 18 years. Yes. Okay. And that the schoolmaster he knew had moved from the village. Yes, schoolmaster is not there. He has been shifted from that village to some other place, and his friend in manager has been dead for 18 years. Finally, Rip asked if anyone knew who Rip Van Winkle was. Can anyone tell me what is the reason why Rip Van Winkle asked such a question?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, because he told some mother's name, but he could not get the answer of that person. So he thought to tell his name, and if anybody knows, they may tell who was he, how was he went.
Oh,
And all.
Angelina, you're making the answer bit complicated, lengthy answer. Okay, all right, I accept it. Anantesh, can you make it simple? What's the reason why Rip asked others, do you know who Rip Van Winkle was?
Ma'am, because he wanted to know how many years, because he wanted to know why the town had changed that much.
Because
And if his wife and all were alive.
okay, Rip
Where,
wanted to
where did
know
they
whether
went?
his wife was alive and how these changes had happened.
Yes, ma'am.
Amna?
Because he was
not remembering anything. He was asking.
Simple answer. The answer is very simple.
Ma'am, he had only 2 friends.
Okay, he
in
had
the
only 2
village.
friends. Okay, but other than that,
Maybe because
Amna?
he want to know. We know his children. To others.
Amna, what is your answer?
Ma'am, because he was lost and he didn't have any idea what was going around.
He was lost and he did not have any idea what was happening there. Kristo?
And so he inquired about the people he knew.
Okay, he inquired about the people he knew. I agreed. But my question is, what is the reason why Rip asked others, do you know who Rip Van Winkle was?
Ma'am,
Because to know if anybody remembered him.
to know. Yes, ma'am. Who all remembered him?
The answer is very simple. That is, none of the people in the village were able to recognize Rip. Okay. Rip had changed totally. None of the people in the village were able to recognize Rip. That is why he asked such a question. Yes, Fia?
And I told that answer like he want to tell that the Rip Van Winkle was he to others.
Ah, yes. He wanted to tell others that he himself is Rip. Okay. So none of the people in the village were able to recognize the man. So he asked others, do you know who Rip Van Winkle was? A young woman holding a baby stepped forward saying that Rip was her father. and he had gone out hunting 20 years ago and never returned. Rip then realized that he had been asleep for 20 years. So, when did Rip come to know that he has been missing for 20 years? When a young woman holding a baby came forward. Who was that young woman holding a baby? It was his daughter.
His daughter.
Rip's daughter. Yes. Rip recognized the young woman as his daughter Judith, now grown. What is Rip's daughter's name? Judith. Yes.
Judith.
She has grown up, she has been married, and now she has got a baby also. Okay. So many years have passed. 20 years have passed. And Rip understood the young lady who was holding a baby was his own daughter. He told her that he, in fact, was her father. Rip then told everyone the story of where he had been for the last 20 years, but no one believed. So, if such a case happened, if somebody comes and tell you that he or she has been missing for so many years because of this reason, will you ever believe him or her?
No.
No. What is the
No.
reason? What is the reason why you don't believe them?
Because ghosts don't exist.
Because there is any proof.
Huh? Unless and until you have a proof, you will not believe. Is it not? Yes.
ma'am.
We need a proof. We need an evidence.
You should
All
give
right.
me realistic answers, not
yes.
something out of fairy tale.
Yes, and the story should be realistic also. All right.
Ma'am,
Okay.
if there was any proof with him or her, I will believe it.
All right. All right. Okay. So just like you, nobody in the village believed when Rip told his story where he was for the last 20 years. None of the villagers believed. Finally, they called an old wise man named Peter Vanderdong, who knew many stories about the village. What is the name of the person? A wise person?
Peter
Yes, Peter Vanderdong. He was a wise person and he knew almost many stories about the village. Peter listened as Rip repeated his tale. Which tale he repeated?
The tale when last 20 years were.
Yes, he repeated the tale of the strange little bearded man giving him a tasty
The
drink
tasty drink and his
yes, falling asleep for last 20 years. So the same tale, T-A-L-E, tale means?
Same thing.
What is tale?
story.
Tale. Tale means story. Yes. He repeated the same tale. He claimed that Rip had met some ghost. What do you mean by claiming? Claimed. Who can give me the meaning of claimed? Claimed.
Answered.
Get something get
Believed. And believed.
No. He claimed that Rip had met some ghost. After listening to Rip's story, Peter Vanderdong said that. Huh? No. Claimed means
Suggested.
to say something without evidence. To say something without evidence or proof.
So they did not have proof that he had actually slept for 10
Yes, no, dear, they did not have any proof. Okay, the people listened to Rip Van, but nobody had any proof. They either they can believe or they can just
Not
leave
believe.
as it is. Okay, so Peter Vanderdong, he claimed that Rip had met some ghost, but he did not have any proof. A few of the villagers thought Rip Van Winkle was crazy, but others believed in crazy means
Gone mad.
mad. Yes. Some of them told that Rip might have gone mad. That's why he's telling such strange stories. But few others believed him. Rip Van Winkle went to live with his daughter Judith and her family. He began telling stories to the children just as he used to earlier. So, children, is there any change in Rip's character even after 20 years?
No, ma'am.
No.
Rip is the same person, is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he is just the same person. What is the main characteristic feature that we find about him?
He's lazy.
He is
He's
lazy.
He's
Yes,
He's lazy.
he's very lazy and he prefers to say stories to children. So there is no change. There is no change in his character. Even after 20 years, he is just the same. He
He
began
cannot
telling.
walk with his dog Wolf.
Pardon?
Ma'am, because he cannot walk with his dog Wolf.
Yes, he cannot walk with his dog Wolf, but he may get some other pet dog. If not Wolf, some other dogs he can get. Is it not?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Amna, ask.
So what if the villagers didn't believe and like if Rip was not Rip,
Hmm.
like some old man killed Rip and claims to be Rip, and the
Huh.
villagers believed him.
Hmm.
So how did Peter Van der Dog claim that?
Your question is if some other old man comes
Yes,
to the village
yeah.
and claim that if he is Rip, how come the people believe?
Yeah.
See, time has passed a lot. 20 years have been passed. So the technology has developed. So with the help of the genes, you can go for a scientific testing. Okay. Scientific testing can be done. All right. And his daughter Judith is still alive. So that genes can be, taken to see whether it is matching or not. Fathers and daughters genes. With the help of science and technology, we have many more ways to see whether he is a Rip fan or somebody else.
That he
Ma'am, to identify Rip know the name of his daughter and his wife, no? So he can tell the name of his daughter and wife. So
But
yeah, that's
anyone
why we like
who
that.
knows the story of Rip and his family can easily get the names.
yeah.
That will not help, is it
Yes,
not?
ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Always alive, right? So
So scientific proof will be always genuine. Okay, scientific proof will be always genuine. Nobody can play fool on it.
offense it or maybe like defend it and say that it's not true. There's
Yes.
no other proof that
And
it is
with the DNA test, we can know that. Yeah,
That's what I told. That's what I told. Cross matching the genes of a person,
father and
not the genes that you wear. Okay, this gene is different. What is the spelling of the gene? Gene. Okay, Gene. The other one is genes. The one you wear it. All right. Okay, Amna. Anyway, I liked your doubt. Very good. So we are moving on to the last part of the story, the final paragraph. So Rip, there was no change in the character of Rip. He remained lazy just before 20 years, or how he was. And he started to live with his daughter Judith and her family, and he kept on telling stories. And not surprisingly, he told his own story frequently. The story how he went to the forest and how he met the strange little bearded man and drinking 3 full glasses of tasty drink and falling off asleep. All these were narrated by him to the children. Occasionally, he would hear thunder in the mountains. What was that thundering sound?
playing lion pin.
Yes.
Lion
Big ball hitting nine pin. Yes. Yes. Occasionally he would hear. Occasionally he would hear thunder in the mountains, but he never went into the forest again. He did not want to lose another 20 years. Okay, so children, what are the moral values that you learn from this story? Who can tell me?
Never go alone to a forest.
Never go alone. Of course, being children, you're not supposed to go alone.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Fia.
Ma'am, we should not drink or eat that the strangers give us.
Yes.
And do not
Do not accept food or drinks given by strangers. You have to be very careful when you deal with strangers.
Ma'am,
Chrisjo, yes.
Even for Jonah.
never trust a stranger with strange clothes.
Never trust a stranger with strange clothes. Not only if he is in strange clothes, whoever is a stranger for you, do not trust them. Do not
Even if,
mingle with them.
even if
Do
he
not
says,
interact with them.
do not go with strangers.
Okay, one value is that be careful when you deal with strangers. Another thing,
Do not go with.
Ma'am, can I?
Don't be lazy.
Manu, very good, very good. Do not be lazy. Laziness is a bad habit. You have to be very
Ma'am, can I
active.
tell
You have
one
to be
thing?
energetic. So
Ma'am, can
avoid
I tell one
laziness. Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, because of his laziness, he wanted to go to mountains. Then only he felt asleep and all.
Yes. So do not be lazy. Be careful when you deal with strangers. Okay, these are the two values that you can learn from the story. Hope you have enjoyed. Hope you have enjoyed the story.
Yes,
If you wait for 2 minutes, wait for 2 minutes. I'll show you the pictures.
Okay,
You want to leave the class quickly?
No.
If you can wait, I'll show you the pictures. And Fia has also got some pictures. So
She got another statue of Rip Van Winkle.
yes. In the last class, she
Ma'am, she
messaged
told-
me. She
Ma'am,
has
she
found
told
the
that-
real statue of Rip Van Winkle.
Ma'am, she told that it is in America.
Yes, it's in New York. Yes, in America. So please wait for 2 minutes. I'll quickly show you the images and then I'll leave you. Okay. It's 12:41.
Ma'am,
And I have the mail is getting loaded. My pictures are in my mail. I'll share the screen with you. Please wait.
Ma'am, picture?
Yes, pictures. Pictures in connection with our story. Rip Van Winkle. So if I show you the images, that will be there in your mind forever. Is it not? The pictures have more impact.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
show the board.
It's getting loaded. Please wait.
Ma'am, photo we can see, ma'am.
We can see it already?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now you are opening PowerPoint.
Yes.
Video.
Now I'll share it.
Okay.
Yes, I think I have shown you the images of the author. Huh? Washington Irving and all.
Yes,
These pictures and all I have showed you in the previous class.
already showed.
Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
The image of Rip's wife, Dame,
Was
scolding
also
him,
showed.
and he is.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Ayman.
Ma'am, the battery is very low.
Okay. I'll finish off fast. If you want to see the images, you please stay, or else you can leave. Yes. Have you seen this image?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rip's beard has grown so lengthy. Okay. This is the image when he came back to his village.
Oh my
He
God.
meets many people, but none of them were able to recognize him. And this is his daughter Judith holding a baby in her hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Surprise! See that the
Ma'am,
old
Wolf
man
is
who is
there.
standing in front of her is her father.
Ma'am, Wolf is there.
It is not Wolf. It is not Wolf. Some other dog. Okay. All right. That's it. Fia,
Yes, ma'am.
quickly share the screen. I have enabled screen sharing. You can quickly share. So children, I'll be sending you the notes today itself, okay? Copy it neatly into your books. We are a bit late. It's 12:44 now. We're supposed to wind up at 12:35. But still, yeah. Can you see this image, children?
Yes.
Image of Rip Van Winkle. It's a real statue
Ma'am,
which is situated in New York.
ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, it is a bear or snakes on hair.
It's beard only. Beard.
I think it was snake.
No.
Turn of snake.
The way the
And
construction is,
it
it's like
looks
that.
like he has
Any other picture, Fia? That's all?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, what is your doubt, Christo?
Even if he changed after 20 years,
Hmm.
no one shouted at him.
Why? Why?
Not anyone.
Dame has gone. Dame is no more. Dame was the one who used to shout at him. So she's not there. So why others have to shout?
Which bed?
Okay.
The picture
Ma'am, I have information. Ma'am, I have got information about that statue, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we discuss it in the next class?
Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is,
Okay.
ma'am,
Thank
it
you.
is in the main.
Thank you, children. I'll meet you in the next class. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.